The process of changing your Discord server's name is very simple, so today we'll be going over exactly how to do that on both desktop and on mobile. So let's start off with the former first. What you want to do is click on the server's name and then head into the server settings from the menu that pops up. There you see that the topmost option will be to change the server's name, so you can just type in whatever you want. And here you can also access all of the other main server settings, like for example its description, the banner color, and many more features, with a lot of them also depending on which exact Nitro Boost level the server has. Now, while that's straightforward, keep in mind that someone that has admin powers or the owner of the server has to do it. It's not just something anyone can do. It is based on permissions, with the one you want to look out for here being called Manage Server. It is a permission you can assign to roles, so make sure that only trusted people have said permission, otherwise anyone will be able to change the name of the server. Likewise, if you think you should be able to change the name of the server but you can't, make sure that you have that permission. Now let's head over to mobile and do the same there. So once you are on the Discord app, what you want to do is just swipe right until you get this view and then tap on your server's name at the very top. Then you want to go into the settings option, which as you can see there's on the right hand side, and from there you want to click on overview. So once you are there, as you can see the top option is to change the server name. So once again you can just remove that and then change it to whatever you want, and you need all the same permissions as on desktop. That will instantly change your server name for everyone, so make sure there's no spelling mistakes. There are no limits, however, to how often it can be changed, so if you do spot a mistake or you change your mind about what the server should be called, then you can change it how often you like. So that is not a problem. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about how to change your Discord server's name and exactly what permissions you need to do it. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.